So this training for me was something I have longed for since many years, and that it was actually happening now is like a dream coming true, and so it's huge and precious for me, and it has been such a journey into like feeling that I really start to own my sexuality, and also like in all aspects, and I feel like such a playfulness and such an innocence and such a joy in that, like when I actually really start to feel the energy, which is without the stories or the performing or whatever, to just to feel this life force and this energy and bliss in it, and it's also now it's just this deep longing to surrender to this energy and to just have it lead my life and my work and my sharing and my relationships, and so I feel really empowered in that, and also in just to go out in the world and share my gifts and not holding myself back anymore. So I feel really empowered, and I feel like if every woman in the world would do a training like that, it would be like paradise on earth.